Hello and welcome back to Tools for Sparks, and today I've got two levels for you that are completely new to me, and I'm quite excited to add these to my tool bag. First of all, the Wiha Electricians level, and this is something that I had never seen before, an electrician's level like this with adjustable parts that can help you to mark up the boxes for your on your walls. So let me give you a little example of how this works. So if you are installing back boxes in a wall, what you need to do often is mark up the holes for the fixings of the back boxes, and obviously depending on if it's a single back box or a double back box, the spacing of the holes will vary. So the great thing about this is you can set this to the correct spacing for the holes in your particular back box that you're installing. And normally you'll be installing lots of these, so it'll save you some time. Once you set this up, then all you need to do is mark the holes. Obviously you get it level on the wall, and then you can see the holes ready to drill and fix them into the wall. And they're adjustable so that you can actually have two, so you could do two boxes side by side, for example, or you could set it up so you've got three holes if you're installing double sockets, for example. You've got three holes in some double socket back boxes. So it's very flexible and you can adjust it according to your needs, which is really nice. It's a very solidly built level. I really like the way it's made. You've got this metal outer case, and then the bit in the middle here is plastic, but on the back you can see the metal goes all the way through as well on the back. So it's designed to just be used one-sided. And you've got this tape measure on one side as well, which gives you measurements of up to 40 centimeters. So it's really, really good to be able to do your measurements and spacings. For example, imagine if you're spacing certain sockets always a certain distance from one corner. You could use this measurement, set these two up so that you've got your screw holes for those particular sockets, pop it up against the wall, and then you've got your markings for your sockets, and you know that they're always level because you've got your level there. And on the top here you can see there's another measurement for the whole length of the level, which goes up to 40 centimeters. So you can use the top length as a measurement as well to do various markings. It's got the sort of European type boxes marked on here, so it's probably actually designed for the European market originally, which have these circular back boxes, and they actually have them spaced 71 mil apart. So what they have in places like the Netherlands and France, they have these circular back boxes, and you use a hole cutter to actually just drill a hole, and then you pop these plastic back boxes into them. So this, in this case, would be designed to measure the centres of your back boxes, and from centre to centre you've got a 71 mil distance is the ideal distance with those. So it's designed to be able to actually fit 4 back boxes side by side if you want to, and you would just mark your centre holes, make sure they're level, and then you would drill them with a hole cutter. But as I say, this is perfectly acceptable to be used in the UK with just different spacings for your middle holes for fixing your back boxes. So it's a great little bit of kit. Let me know in the comments if you've got one. Have you used it? Would you like to buy one? What system do you use for leveling your back boxes? I'd love to know. The other level that I've recently acquired is this one, and this is a Stabila level, made in Germany once again, as most good tools are. And this is really, it's called Pocket Pro Magnetic, and it's just designed to be super small and to be able to fit in, for example, metal back boxes, which is what we use in the UK for most of our sockets and switches. So the great thing about this is if you've got these little back boxes and you want to get them level, you can just pop your magnetic level into the back box and then offer it up against the wall to make sure that it's level before you finally fix it back. And it's got this little holster here, which is just got a belt clip on, so you can clip it on your belt or your tool bag and have it close to hand at all times. It's magnetic, as I say, on both sides, so that's quite nice. It can neatly clip into a corner, or you could clip it onto the side of a back box, for example, with this magnetic side, and it would still give you the level that you need. So it's quite flexible. Very small and compact, and quality build. As always with Stabila products, it does feel good quality, even though it's quite lightweight. Let me know in the comments if you've got one of these and you use it on a day-to-day basis. I'd love to know. As always, thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, hit a thumbs up. If you have already subscribed, thank you for doing so. And if you haven't, please consider subscribing, because you'll get free updates and tool videos from me every single week. And if you are a subscriber, tap that notification bell, and then you'll get notified every time a new video comes out. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.